The cost of renting a carpet cleaner is $52 for the first day and $26 for each additional day. Which of the following functions gives the cost C of D in dollars of renting the carpet cleaner for D days, where D is a positive integer? Okay, to solve this problem, let me consider an horizontal line segment over here. I consider 3 points on this segment. The first point is A, the second point is B, and the third point is C. Now, we can assume the complete length of this line segment as the given number of days, that is D days. Let me write the stuff over here. And let's consider the length of this segment AB. We can assume the length of this segment AB as the first day, that is 1 day. And what is the length of this segment BC? To get the length of this segment BC, we have to subtract the length of the segment AB from the complete segment D days. Then we get D negative 1 days. Let me write over here. Here we have the first day and here we have additional days. According to the given information, for the first day, the rent is $52. So for the first day, we can write the rent of $52. And for each additional day, the rent is $26. That is, for one additional day, the rent is $26. Then what is the rent for D negative 1 number of additional days? We have to multiply the rent for 1 day and the number of days. Then we get 26 times D negative 1. Here we got the total rent when we add these two quantities according to the given information. So this is equal to the function C of D. Let me write over here. Then we get C of D equals to 52 positive. We can distribute this 26 to this D. Then we get 26D. Positive times negative is a negative. 26 times 1 is 26. Okay, C of D equals to, we can write 26D. When I combine this 52 and negative 26, I am getting positive 26. Here, I got the function C of D, which gives the rent of the carpet cleaner for D days. We find this function in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.